Okay, my name is Jinglong. I'm going to present to you on our milestone 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 10. So I'll be covering the first point first, which is the build and the design of the robot. Okay, so basically the robot will have two large motors for rotating the wheels, and he has one medium motor for rotating the ultrasonic sensor. And for the sensor part, he has he has four. One is the light sensor, the other one is the color sensor, the gyro, and the ultrasonic sensor. So basically that is the build of the robot. So now I'm going to touch on point 2, which is the socket connection to connect to the GUI. Okay, so I'm going to put the robot here, and we will show you on the GUI part. So after it connects, it should be able to receive commands from the robot. So maybe we will try to move it forward. As you can see, the robot is responding to the GUI commands. Okay, we'll stop. Okay, now we will try to rotate. As you can see, the robot is responding accordingly and is rotating clockwise. Okay, we'll try to rotate anti-clockwise. Okay, the robot perform as it's supposed to. Maybe we can try backward as well. Okay. Okay, you can stop that. So as you can, now we're going to touch on point 3, which is reporting an error message to the GUI via the socket connection. So what we're going to do to create an error is to try to make the ultra sensor fail. I'm going to plug out this cable, and we should see that there's an error message coming on the GUI. As you can see, the message invalid sensor mode is being received. So with an error, the robot cannot perform its task. And that will demonstrate point number 3 and point number 4. Now I'm going to present on point number 6 and 10, which is detecting surrounding objects. Just hang on, let me connect back the cable. Okay, so now I'm going to place the robot in an arbitrary position. So what happens, the robot, when it first starts, the robot will, the ultrasonic sensor will rotate 360 to retrieve some values, and after that, it will rotate back to untangle the wire, and hopefully, it will rotate to point to the tower. And that information should be sent back to the GUI. So now it's rotating. And when it rotates, it's rotating 3 degrees at one time, and it's taking a sample of the average out of 5 values. So the robot is completing the rotation. Okay, then it will untangle itself because of the wire. Now to demonstrate the locating function, it should turn to point to where the tower is found. And hopefully it does that. Okay, seems like okay. seems like it found the tower. It's around that position, and we will see the value on the GUI. We will show the heading as well as the distance in millimeter. And that will demonstrate point number 6 and number 10. Yeah, that's all. Okay, now we're going to demonstrate on point 8 and 9, which is detecting the color circles on the boundary as well as on the map, on the survey area. So the robot, right, will move. The robot is still connecting. Cut. That part I need to. Okay, now the robot has detected a color, and it's showing the color that is being detected, which is yellow circle as we see it. Okay, now the robot will continue, and it will try to detect the next color, which we see as a green. Okay, now the robot has detected something, and let's see. And expected, we can see that the green circle is detected. And now it's trying to detect the black color circle. And that's all.
Hello, my name is Bai Heng, representing MindCube, Software Engineering and Project Group 2. In this video, I would like to go through milestone 1 of our project. I will be presenting item number 12 to 17 regarding GUI portion of our project. What you are seeing here is GUI layout of our project. We have menu, we have map area, we have control area, we have robot information area, and we have console message printing area here. For the menu items, we have 3: Find, Edit, and Help. And the Find, we have 3 sub-menu items: Load Map File, Current Map Saving, and Quit. And the Edit, we have adding circular no-go zone, adding polygon no-go zone, and removing no-go zone. And the Help, we have View Help and Contact Support. Map area is the area where we will draw everything robot can find from the survey area, survey boundaries, deposit circles, and its connecting lines, in tower in the robot current location. Control area is for the operator to control the robot. Operator can ask the robot to go into autonomous exploration mode by this button. This is emergency stop button. Clicking this will inform robot to stop everything it is doing and go to point. We have 4 manual control movement pattern here: moving forward, moving backward, rotating clockwise direction, rotating anti-clockwise direction. We have robot display information here, robot information display here. Battery level, speed, the mode that robot is currently in, autonomous or manual, and the connection status to the robot. In this area is to inform the operator of any information regarding the robot. For example, moving forward, the button will print starting movement. Releasing the button will stop the movement of the robot, so we will print stopping movement. Other than this area, we will also have critical error message reporting. These messages require operator attention, so we will use pop-up dialogs box. In this example, robot is saying sensor invalid sensor, which will require operator attention to connect back the sensor. This is the error message asking operator to take a look at the robot. The last item I'm going to show you is deposit circuit drawing on GUI. Here is how it will look like. We have 4 circles connected in clockwise order. This will conclude my presentation starting from item number 12 to 17.